Welcome to the Toy Nest. It's BiRDiE, and check out what is in our nest today. Eek! I'm so super excited. I don't know if you guys can necessarily tell. Oh my goodness! It's the Ghostbusters Monster High Frankie Stein. She was a San Diego Comic-Con exclusive for this year, and I am totally stoked to take a look at her and have you guys take a look at her along with me. She's so neat. Check out all the slime on her box. Gross. Check it out, everybody. Frankie Stein is helping the Ghostbusters. She is so adorable. I love the whole box. I love her. She's so cute and adorable. Look at the little ghost she even comes with. Oh my gosh, it's like Slimer. And she's rocking those blue earrings. Oh, she's so neat looking. Who you gonna call? Frankie Stein. And look at the logo of the Ghostbusters with the electric beam down to the Monster High logo. That's so super duper cute and adorable. Okay, let's open her up. Oh my gosh! Look at her. Hey guys, it's Frankie Stein. Okay guys, look at how cute she is. She is so adorable and cute. Look at her. She's got the traditional black and white Frankie Stein hair. And she's got these super cool yellow Ghostbuster glasses. They are just so cute. And look, she's rocking these crazy earrings. On her Ghostbusters uniform, she's got Stein Road, and she's got her little dog tag, and she's got her blue belt that matches her earrings, and she's got her proton gun that then straps in the back with this translucent yellow pipe into her proton pack on the back. I mean, every Ghostbuster needs a proton pack, right? Let's see if this opens. Oh, it does! Oh, that is so cool! Check that out! She can maybe... I think the gun's going to be too big to fit in there, but, you know Frankie, she can put all kinds of her accessories in there. You can totally load her up. And check out the logo on her sleeve. And here's the back. Here's her phone. Because who are you going to call? You're going to call Frankie. And she's got this yellow accessory tool. And check out those boots. Oh my goodness. They've got the lightning bolt. She is so cool. She is ready to fight some ghosts. She's like, yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. So let's take off her glasses. Isn't she so pretty? She has the prettiest face. Look at her coloring. She's got the Slimer-inspired eyeshadow going on. And that color of lipstick with her earrings is so adorable. She is so adorable and cute. I'm so happy with her. And actually, and look at him. Isn't he the cutest? He says, Frankie, please don't stun me. Oh, don't worry. You can hang out with me. I bet you can fit in my backpack. You probably would, right? Actually, let's put her, because those glasses are so cool. She's so cute. She is so super duper cute. She's like, hey, who you gonna call? You gonna call me? Huh? 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 Heck yeah, I'll call her. She'll take care of any ghost we got, won't she? Woo! That's right. She's super awesome and super cute. And here is her stand. Frankie on the stand, waiting for everybody to give her a call because she wants you to call her when there's a ghost. She's super cute. She's super adorable. I love everything about her. And I love her little ghost. Hey, little guy. She's just super duper fantastic. We're gonna have fun, Frankie. Wait, I think my phone's ringing. Frankie, you better get it. Hey guys, I guess this is it. We're gonna have to go ahead and let Frankie take care of business. Until next time, it's BiRDiE. Thanks for watching. Bye.